Fuel System Tune-Up Service. Wynn's fuel system tune-up services include applications, tools, and proprietary chemicals to do the job right. There are several options available to perform this service. Wynn's EnviroPurge apparatus, in combination with Wynn's valve injector combustion chamber cleaner, is used to provide a thorough fuel injector cleaning service. First, the normal fuel supply to the fuel rail is disabled by any convenient method such as removing the fuel pump relay, as shown here. Appropriate fuel pump disable procedures, choice of fuel system adapters and connection procedures, and service pressures are found in the Fuel Injection System Cleaning Manual. The correct adapter is first connected to the vehicle to allow access to the fuel system. Then the fuel pressure regulator hose is removed and plugged. Wynn's V.I.C is then poured into the EnviroPurge apparatus and the top attached securely. The apparatus is then hung conveniently from the hood and the Quick Connect service hose attached to the already installed adapter. With the pressure regulator and gate valve on the EnviroPurge apparatus closed, a shop air line is connected and the pressure increased to the recommended service pressure listed in the manual. The gate valve is then opened to deliver V.I.C to the fuel rail. When the vehicle is started, the engine will run off the V.I.C product until the EnviroPurge is empty, at which point the engine will stall. Close the pressure regulator, purge pressure from the lines, close the gate valve, and remove the shop air line. Remove the service hose and adapter from the vehicle and replace any original caps or connections. Then unplug and replace the fuel pressure regulator line. Re-enable the fuel pump and start the engine to complete this portion of the FST service. To clean the throttle body, remove the air intake boot. The back side of the throttle valve is cleaned by manually opening it all the way and spraying Wynn's air intake cleaner on the valve and into the throttle bore with the engine off. With the engine running and a shop rag secured under the throttle body opening to catch any product runoff, liberally spray Wynn's air intake cleaner into the throttle body. Working the throttle valve back and forth manually until the throttle valve and throttle body are clean. Reattach and secure the air intake boot over the throttle body opening to complete this portion of the FST service. The induction system is cleaned by choosing a centrally located vacuum source on the intake manifold. Remove the existing vacuum hose and attach a short length of hose to the vacuum source. Insert Wynn's induction system cleaning tool nozzle into the short hose with the nozzle end as close to the vacuum source as possible. Attach the can top assembly of the induction system cleaning tool into the can of V.I.C and hang from the vehicle's hood. With the engine running, open the valve on the can top assembly all the way or until the engine runs rough. Product will be drawn into the induction system to clean the inside surfaces of the induction system, the intake valve, and the combustion chambers. When the V.I.C container is empty, remove the nozzle and short hose length, reattach the original vacuum hose, and remove the product container to complete this portion of the FST service. Wynn's power charge is poured in the vehicle's fuel tank that is at least half filled. This product will clean the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers of deposits. The addition of power charge is an important part of Wynn's fuel system tune-up service, with the cleaning benefits continuing even after the customer leaves the shop. A hands-free throttle body cleaning is made possible with the Wynn's throttle body cleaning tool. After an appropriate Wynn's cleaning product is poured into the EnviroPurge apparatus and it is reassembled securely, the service hose is quick connected to the T.B.C tool. The air intake boot is first removed from the throttle body and the loop portion of the T.B.C tool is inserted over the lip of the throttle body. The boot is reattached over the loop portion of the tool and onto the throttle body. With the pressure regulator closed and gate valve closed, a shop air line is connected to the EnviroPurge unit. With the engine running and the gate valve open, the pressure regulator is opened until the engine runs rough or 40 psi is reached. Allow the engine to run until the EnviroPurge apparatus is empty. Close the pressure regulator and gate valve and purge any pressure from the lines and disconnect the service hose from the T.B.C tool. Shut off the vehicle's engine. Reattach the air intake boot and remove the T.B.C tool. Wynn's fuel system tune-up service is the way to keep your engine running right.